Welcome. In this video I'm going to be taking a look at this Apsung 110-in-1 precision screwdriver set. And this was provided to me by the distributor, but they're not compensating me for this video and they're not reviewing it before I post it. If you're interested in this, I'll put a link to this in the description. If you use that link, it helps me out a little bit and doesn't cost you anything extra. So this says has 12 disassembly accessories, 1 aluminum handle, 1 extension bar, flexible extension shaft, tweezers, plastic pry tools, 1 sim removal tool, 1 magnetizer demagnetizer, 1 suction cup, 2 triangle pry pieces, 1 bit holder for powered screwdriver, and it has 98 screwdriver bits. I don't know if I want to go over all these. I'll try and get these up on the screen. But there's lots of Torx, security Torx, hex, Phillips, slotted. Looks like that's a 5-point star. Those are posi drive, I think they're called. Square, triangle. Not sure what that one is. I don't know the names. It's like a tri-wing. So let's look at the bits here, or the kit. So here's the tools. So there's the sim removal tool. We have suction cup. This is the bit holder here. So it looks like this is an extension for it, and that's magnetized. Here's a flex tool. So you could put that on here, and then you can, say, like turn a corner with it if you need to get it at a different angle. That's pretty cool. We have some precision tweezers here. It's kind of hard to focus on some of these things. I guess it's easier if I just hold them down here. Those things will stab your fingers if you're not careful. Here's a plastic pry tool. Another plastic pry tool. This is an adapter so you could put it in a regular drill chuck. You can, that's would be like a 1/4 inch, I think. And then this side has all the fun stuff here. So we have the little plastic triangles. Oh, these are actually a little different too. This one's thinner on my left and the one on the right is a little thicker. This is the magnetizer demagnetizer. So you would run the bits over that. And here are all the bits. Wow, there's a lot in here. So this is a security Torx. Let me make sure I'm focused here. So I'm going to put my macro lens on it and we'll zoom in on these a little bit. Okay, so that top row has the Torx bits. Then we have these like 5-point star bits. Looks like they have some tri-wings there. Some tiny Phillips screwdrivers there. We have, looks like 4/0, 4/0, 3/0, 3/0, 2/0, 2/0, 1/0, 1/0, 1, 2. I don't know the name of these bits, but they're like a security bit of some sort. We have some slotted bits here in this row. More slotted. These are regular Torx bits as T20. So it looks like it's T1 to T20. That is just tiny. And then these are the security Torx bits. And here's some tri-wings. And these are hex. And the hex go up pretty big to 6mm. These are triangle. And these are like some 5-point star and some posi drive, square. This looks like some kind of reverse Phillips. I don't know. And these are just regular sockets, or regular, yeah. So say you're working on a project, what you can do is Google the thing you're trying to take apart and what size screwdriver you need, and usually you can come across a single screwdriver you can buy. That might be like a T6 Torx or something. So once you find that out with your Google search, you can come into your kit here and you can look for the T6 Torx, which would be right here. So this is a Torx high security, and it's got the little hole in the middle, and then you can use that in your kit. So you don't have to order all the screwdrivers. If you were to buy all these screwdrivers separate, it would cost you a fortune. This is really handy. So yeah, if you're into taking stuff apart, I recommend a kit like this. I think this is going to come in very useful on all my projects. So, and I like that they include the screwdrivers and they also include some other tools too. So I have some other small kits with some things in it, but it's nice having it all together so I can take this somewhere to work on a project. Let me get this off here. So that was the Apsung 110-to-1 precision screwdriver set. If you have any questions about this, please leave it in the comments. If you like this video, please click like. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, I'd appreciate it if you could do that. And thanks for watching. Until next time, goodbye.